and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a what's in my bag and kind of like an update on my Gucci Soho bag that I just did an unboxing for like 3 months ago. One of you guys left me a comment and were like, can you do a what's in my bag on this? And I was like, I mean, why not? Because I have a ton of crap in this bag right now. This is what the bag looks like. As you can see, it is like filled to the top. This has become my everyday bag. I wear this bag every single day, and I still like my Louis Vuitton on BBA that I did a what's in my bag for about 6 months ago. I still really enjoy that bag, but I kind of use that bag on like special occasions and just like when I'm going out, you know, like that kind of stuff. This I use every day. This has become my everyday bag, and I love it. So yeah, so let's get into what's inside the bag. So this is what the inside of the bag kind of looks like. It's like kind of hard because there's so much stuff in here. So first things first is my phone. Of course, this is the iPhone X. This is always in my bag, obviously. And the next thing is this Louis Vuitton wallet. When I did my what's in my bag a few months ago, I didn't have this wallet. My boyfriend actually bought this for me for our anniversary, and this is what the wallet like looks like on the inside. I like this one because it's not super big, but I can still fit everything I need to fit in here, whether I need to fit a lot of cash or my debit cards and whatnot. I really enjoy this wallet. I actually don't know what the name of this one is. I'll figure it out and like link it down below just so you guys know. But this is what it looks like, and I love this wallet. Like, so happy that I have it. Alright, so the next thing in my bag is a hand lotion. This is from Soap & Glory. This is their hand food. I love this. I have this size, which is obviously the travel size, and I have the larger size of this. This is hands down like my favorite hand cream of life, and this is only like $4. It's super cheap, and I love it. It really moisturizes my hands. Anytime I'm at work and somebody's like, do you have moisturizer? I'm like, yeah, and then I give this to them and they're just like, oh my god, this stuff is incredible. I'm like, yeah, I know. But yeah, that's this. Thing is a pack of gum. I have the extra long-lasting flavor spearmint gum. This is my favorite gum because this is probably the only gum that I feel like actually like refreshes your breath and like gives you that minty feeling that you want. This one is definitely my favorite gum. I always have gum with me. I don't chew gum for too long just because like kind of hurts my jaw and gives me headaches. So I chew it for like 10 minutes and then get rid of it. But that gum, super good. My bag is a travel little perfume. This is from DKNY. This is their Be Delicious perfume. This came in like a set that I got from Marshall's. The set came with this little travel perfume, a big 3.4 ounce perfume, a body wash, and a body lotion, and it was like $40. And I was like, yes, like I love that perfume. So I keep this with me because this is the perfume that I wear to work. And when I need to freshen up at work, I use this, obviously. So the next thing in the bag is this Real Techniques setting brush. If you guys are familiar with my channel or with my other video that I did, like my other what's in my bag video, this brush is literally always with me. I always have a setting brush with me just in case, you know, I need to powder up my nose, powder up my under eyes. This brush is just like a complete must-have. I love this brush. So the next thing are my AirPods. I go nowhere without my AirPods. I always need them. You never know when you're going to want to listen to music, when you're going to be with your boyfriend at Marshall's for hours and you need to like watch a video. I love these. I always use them when I'm at work. I use them when I'm like all the time. I freaking love my AirPods. I need them with me at all times. So the rest of the stuff in here is makeup. Yeah, there's a lot of mainly lip products in here. So moving on to the makeup in the bag. This is the MAC Studio Fix powder. This is my Ride or Die pressed powder. I love this powder. I bring it with me all the time. As you can see, like it is very loved. Like I'm hitting pan on it. I love this. I need it with me at all times. It is just a staple in my bag, in my makeup collection. I love it. So the next thing is a tampon. I always have one, you know, you never know when it's gonna sneak up on you. So I always feel like I need at least one in my bag with me, just in case. So I don't know why I have 2 of these in here. I didn't even know that. I have two of these Smith Rosebud like chapstick things in my purse. I don't know why. One's like almost empty and one's like practically full. I should probably not have both of them in there just in case I lose one, but whatever. So both of these are in here. I really do enjoy this lip balm. It gives like a nice like glossy finish and it leaves your lips feeling moisturized, which I love. So really like this, and I obviously always need it with me considering I have two, right? So the next product is from, what is this? This is from Nude Stick. This is their Leap. Yeah, this is their Leap. This is their Leak. What? This is their lip and cheek pencil in the shade Whisper. This is just one of my, can you even see that? One of my favorite nudes. I like go nowhere without this. I need this in my life. It's just like if I don't know what lip color to wear and I need something quick, I just grab Whisper and it's good. I love this so much. Is another lip product. This is from ColourPop. This is their lipstick in the shade Boy. I love this as well. This is very, very nude. So what I like to do is I like to have Whisper and Boy with me just because I like to put Whisper on, then I like put Boy in the center of my lips. I do that a lot with a lot of my lip products, I've noticed. And yeah, these two together, need them with me at all times. There's a starburst in here. Wonder how long that's been in there. The next product is my current go-to lip product. This is the Smashbox liquid, always on liquid lipstick in the shade Fair Game. I am obsessed with this. Love it, need it. I mean, whatever. The next product is another nude lipstick. This is Maybelline's 535 Nude Thrill. I am totally, like, I'm almost out of this actually. I didn't even know that. But this is just like, oh, this isn't 535. Why did I think it was 535? This is Nude Thrill 755. I have a Maybelline lipstick that's called 535 too, which kind of looks just like this. That's why I probably thought that. But I really do enjoy this one too. You know, you can never have too many nude lipsticks with you. The next lip product is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Kim KW nude lipstick. This is more of like a pinky nude. This isn't like a brown nude. This is like a pink nude, so it's different. This is what it looks like. I mean, they practically all look the same, but they're also different in every way. Always have this with me just in case I'm feeling a pinky nude that day as opposed to my typical brown nudes, you know. Like I said, never enough. Last product that I have in my bag is another lip product. This is actually not a nude. Actually, this is kind of like a pinky nude. Not really. It's kind of like a pink color. I don't really think it's so much of like a nude, but this is from Buxom, and this is their Baba Plump Taupe It Off color. This is like a plumping like gloss, but with the color to it. This is like a mauve or a mauve. Do you guys say mauve or mauve? Because I feel like everybody says mauve, but then people say mauve, and this is like an ongoing debate at my job. Like, is it mauve or is it mauve? What do you guys think? Let me know. But anyways, this is what the color looks like. So it's like it's not really a nude, but like it kind of is. And I wear this on days where like I really don't want to wear a nude and I kind of want to spice things up a little bit, you know, trick people. This is the color that I'll wear. And I really do enjoy this a lot actually. It kind of gets a little runny like on my bottom lip, but I typically put like a lip liner on and then I'll put this on. And yeah, I really do enjoy this as well. So this is what the bag looks like when there's nothing in it. And I'm just going to go ahead and load everything back up and show you guys one more time what it looks like with everything in it. This is the bag with literally everything in it. And I'm going to zipper it right now so you guys can see. Like, I still can fit a lot more stuff in it. This is what the bag looks like when it's packed this much. I really like keeping like this much stuff in it just because I feel like I'm always changing my mind, so I never know like what products I need, so I keep a lot of stuff in here. But also, I like the way the bag is shaped. When it has this much stuff in it, I just feel like it looks, I don't know, just I like how it looks bigger, you know what I mean? This does have like a little dip in it. If you guys, let me see if I can get a better angle. If you guys can tell, like from leaning on my hip, this has like a little dip in it, but I mean, it's nothing horrible. You can't even really notice it because when it's laying on your hip, you really don't even like see the back of it, to be honest with you. So it's not that big of a deal. This leather kind of makes me nervous just because I don't want to scratch it. I feel like it's just such soft, delicate leather, even though it's built to withstand like normal wear and tear, you know what I mean? But it just kind of worries me. I haven't had any transfer issues with it, like not so much. Maybe like a little tiny bit, but nothing crazy. And I am so happy that I purchased this bag. I love my Louis Vuitton Alma BB bag. I am so happy that I purchased this one just because I love the crossbody. I love how much more stuff I can fit in here. And it's just a good everyday bag, and I'm so in love with it. I'm just so happy that I have it. This bag retails for $11.90, I believe. Is it $11.90 or $10.90? It's one of the two, but it is, if you were looking to invest in an everyday bag and you want to splurge a little bit, this one is really, really good. I totally have no regrets buying this bag. I love it so much. Alright you guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I just did another what's in my bag. That swatch just got all over my finger. Whatever. But I know I just did another what's in my bag video like 6 months ago. But when I did the unboxing of this bag, I said that I would give you guys like an update of like how much stuff I can fit in here and how the bag is holding up. And yeah, so far so good. Like I said, I have no regrets buying this bag. It is my favorite like everyday bag right now. I am so totally obsessed with it. And yeah, so that is all I have for you guys in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this what's in my bag video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!